Did you know you can make $100 per day on Facebook without needing any monetization? No Facebook ad breaks, no fancy followers, and still earning daily. In this video, I'll show you how to turn views into dollars. Yes, you heard right. Plus, I'll walk you through how to create viral videos that get thousands, even millions of views, even if you're starting from scratch. So stick with me till the end, because I'm going to show you the AI tool that creates professional viral videos for Facebook, and also the platform that turns those views into cash without waiting for monetization. To show a proof this video was created by the AI tool that is going to show you and has got a total of 1.1 thousand views in 23 days only. And this channel has only 38 subscribers. It is a completely new one. So with this method, I'm sure you will get thousands to millions views to what? Now, what type of content goes viral on Facebook? From my quick observation, health tips, weight loss tricks, life hacks, and making money online all perform like crazy. Don't worry, you can pick any niche you like and still make this work. But you don't need to start creating a video from scratch. Only take the link of the viral video, then the AI will create the same viral video but in a more engaging way. So head over to Facebook, then click on video and search for Hot to Lose Weight Fast. You will find a lot of viral shorts. Choose anyone you like, then click on share and copy the link. Here's the tool I use. It's called Clipwise AI. It's like your personal video editor, scriptwriter, and content generator all in one. Just type in your topic, and Clipwise instantly creates viral-ready videos with stock clips, captions, and formatting optimized for Facebook. No camera, no editing headaches. It's all AI. To start with it, click the link in the description below, then register for a free account by filling your username, email, and password, or simply sign up with your Google account, then log in, where you will find this dashboard. There are several ways to create a video in Clipwise, like link to video, which you can copy the link of any viral video, then post it here, and your video that will look like copied one will be generated quickly. And this is what we're going to use today. Also, there is an option of AI in real life where Clipwise will generate a video based on real life story and prompt guided where you will write your prompts. At the top, there are different options like Viral Faceless, Quiz for Kids, Reddit Story, and others. So we will choose Viral Faceless and then just paste your video link here. Then choose the video language where there are multiple languages here. You can customize it more by clicking on Customize More. Then at the bottom there is the visual theme you prefer. You can click on View More to see more themes, then choose one you like. But Cinematic One is the best theme for me, and I always use to all of my videos. Then lastly, click on Generate. Then wait for your script to be generated. Once done, you can preview it and regenerate if you don't like it. And finally, click on Start Generate a Video. From there, you will be directed here where you need to choose voiceover based on your video gender. For me, I will choose female. Then select any voice I prefer. You can choose by click on it and listen one by one according to your video type. In storytelling niche, old man voiceover is the best. So after choosing it, you can also edit the image and write a prompt on which type of image you want, then Clipwise will generate it for you. Once satisfied, click on Convert All Image to Video. This is the amazing feature of Clipwise since the video generated will not be like image slides, but will be like recorded video. This increases the chance of going viral. Once done, you will see your images change to video. Click on Next. Then here choose background music by playing one by one, then choose video caption and lastly video overlay. Once chosen, you can preview on the video playing. And finally, click on Next and wait for your video to be generated. And finally, our video is ready so we can play it. Boom! Your video is ready to post on YouTube and start making money. Clipwise premium features need subscription, but the money that you will pay is so cheap compared to the value of content that you will get from it. I guarantee you that if you post 3 short videos per day, you start to see results in the first week, and your short will go viral. The subscription starts at $10 per month in yearly basis and $25 per month in monthly basis. Remember this, it's hard to start making money without using money. Now, let's see how to get paid from the views that you will get from it. The platform that will pay you from each view that will click on their link is Montague through their Smart Link. Smart Link clicks are paid once triggered from anywhere in the world. The issue now is how to get that smart link and how to attach it in your video so people can view and click on it and make money. Here is the way. Click the link in the description where you will be directed to this page where you have to fill in your personal details like username and emails, or simply sign up using your Google account. It's so easy to get sign up and easy to be approved in Montague. Important to note, use your real information when signing up or you won't be able to withdraw your money. After sign up, log into your account, then your dashboard will look like this. To get your smart link, go to a direct link, then you can copy it ready to share and start making money. Below it, you will find a statistics section where you can view your earning records like RPM, CPM, and traffic sources. So copy your direct link and let's see how to use it to earn. Now back to Facebook. Then upload your video by clicking on Reel, then add a video. The important section here is how to attach the smart link. In the description, attach your link and tell the views, click this link for free complete lose weight tips. Then paste your direct link here. And finally publish your video. From there, wait to get views and start generating commission to your Montague account. The magic is in repetition. Make at least 3 to 5 shorts per week. Test different topics but on the same niche and watch your click-through rate. Post it in TikTok and YouTube and attach your direct link in your description. If you do it consistently, you will start to make some cash while you are waiting for Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok monetization. If you face any challenge, just contact me on my Facebook page. I will give you a step-by-step guide for free. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so I can give you more online money-making tips like this. If you need another simple and easy way to make money online and get paid $3 per each email submission, just watch the video showing up on the screen. Thanks for watching, and see you there.